Hello folks, this is Aitan Ajha from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the official retail box for the smartphone and all of the relevant info regarding the phone is on the back. This is an IP68 water and dust resistant smartphone, and let's just open up the box. Inside what you get is the smartphone itself, the SIM tray slot removal pin, the TPU cover for the smartphone, quick start guide, warranty card. This is the fast charging module for the smartphone, adaptive fast charging, quite good, and you get the earphones as well as USB type C cable on the inside. And now let's talk about the build and design of this phone. The phone feels quite big to hold in the hand and it comes with an all metal and glass design. It also comes with stereo speakers by AKG which sound great. The display on the smartphone is the best display ever that I have seen. 6.4 inch Quad HD Plus HDR10 supported AMOLED display, and there's also the front camera on the front. This does not go the notchless way and this display does not have a notch, something a lot of people would like, and the colors are excellent. At the top you get the SIM tray slot along with the microphone. At the back you get the dual camera sensor along with the fingerprint sensor and the dual tone LED flash. At the bottom you get the 3.5mm jack, USB type C port and the speaker grill along with the S Pen. Overall the design feels solid to hold and the phone is definitely quite big. If you're somebody with small hands, then this phone is definitely not for you. The Indian variant comes with the Exynos 9810 chipset and the US variants come with the Snapdragon 845. You have 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 128 or 512 GB of storage, and if you talk about the performance, ideally it should be perfect, but the thing that Samsung does always is their custom UI, and this time around also because of some custom UI issues I found that Google Play Store was not working properly on my device and I had to restart it almost 2 to 3 times in order to just update my applications. So it was quite a frustrating experience, and I can easily tell you that Samsung smartphones, even the flagship ones, start showing some signs of slowdown after 1 year of usage. Gaming performance was really great on the smartphone and it plays every game on really maximum possible settings, and I can assure you that all of the games that I played on the smartphone looked really great. There is also a high performance mode dedicated to gaming performance and everything, and Fortnite, PUBG, everything looks great on the smartphone. The level of details that I saw in PUBG on this smartphone was something unprecedented and I have not seen that in any other smartphone before. But Samsung claims that this is a liquid cooled smartphone. Still I was able to heat it up to 40 degrees Celsius in a 25 degrees Celsius temperature controlled room, so that means that it's not all cool. If I talk about security and unlock features, it comes with iris scan, face scan as well as a fingerprint sensor whose positioning has been fixed now. If I talk about few other features, there is the dedicated Bixby button which needs to be remapped seriously and you can buy a paid app to do so. Then there's the camera on this device. The camera is the main talking point of this device because it's so good. It's among the top 5 smartphone cameras right now, and as soon as the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL are launched, they might dethrone a lot of other smartphones from the top spot. For now, I feel that it does its job. The saturation is quite high, but overall the sharpness etc. is definitely good. Low light performance did show some noise but is respectable. The S Pen now supports Bluetooth selfies and a lot of other features. It's definitely a smartphone meant for power users who are just on the go, jotting down notes and shifting all of those data away, crunching numbers. This smartphone is definitely meant for people like that. For normal people, this might not be the best choice to go for. At a price of 60,000 rupees, you can definitely buy a lot of other stuff, but if you're somebody who's a power user and who wants the best that Android has to offer right now, then the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 might not be a bad choice for you. Otherwise, there are always very nice budget alternatives like the Xiaomi Poco F1 and few other devices. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.